Today we're making a pot handle cover. We need 2 pieces of fabric, 5 by 7. I'm using the same for the outside and for the lining. You also need 2 pieces of cotton batting the same size, 5 by 7. It needs to be cotton, not polyester. Our first step is to round off one of the ends. So we're going to make a little sandwich. Fabric and batting. So face down, right side face down, batting, batting, right side facing up. Let's make sure that's all lined up. We're going to fold that in half. And then we need to find something to round it off. I'm going to use my camera cap and just kind of trace around it. My computer mouse also works. I found out it's the right size. Whatever you have around the house, and then I'm just going to cut around that. So what we need to do first is we need to be able to stitch this section together. We're not going to sew anything else. We're just going to put right sides together and stitch this across. Okay, we're all stitched. Now we're going to fold this over on itself. We're going to sew all around the outside. We're going to leave a little space for turning and then continue up here. Okay, all stitched. I have a little space for turning. I'm going to go ahead and turn this inside out now. All right, here's what we have. This is my open spot here. I need to go over and stitch that closed. Okay, I've sewed that closed. This is the inside lining. We're not going to see it anyway. Now we need to stick the inside lining into the outside fabric. Just like this. There we have it, a cover for our pot handles. No more burned hands.